to show you what I've got my hands on today. This is the Matrix Future Innovators Kit, and I cannot wait to explore what all we've got inside this. By the way, when I ordered this kit, I played a smart move. I downloaded the brochure, and for your ease, you can also download this brochure by scanning this QR code. This will really help me get to know all the parts, identify with them, and find my way around this kit. So I'm going to follow the order in the brochure, and I'm going to start with the microcontroller, which I believe is this one. Let's start by opening it up. So this is the microcontroller. This is the brain of the robot. This is where actually everything is going to connect and really come together. So there are all these different ports. It's a very bright color, and this is the brain of the robot, like I said. This will actually process all the data from motors and sensors, and this can be programmed using block-based platforms which are beginner friendly. But if you're feeling a little bold, you can also use C++. Okay, so now we're moving on. The next thing in the brochure is the M-Vision Cam. Let's go ahead. That is right here on the top. So we're gonna start by opening this up. I can see that they've given us a Type-C cable with it. There is a connecting cable as well, which is, I think, going to be used to connect it to the microcontroller, probably. And then this is the actual camera. You can see there's very tiny details on there. There's a tiny camera, and it's got protective film on it as well. And this is actually going to help you integrate AI into your robotic solutions, in detecting objects and reading objects. That's all going to be done with this camera. Okay, now we're going to be moving on to the motors. And in this kit, actually, there are 3 different types of motors. And we're going to be diving into the first one, which is the DC motor. So let's go ahead and open that up. The DC motors, there are actually 2 of them in this kit, each with their own wire, and these wires are connected to the microcontroller. The DC motor actually has rotational movement, and these are used to connect wheels and gears. So this next motor is actually the DC motor with the encoder. Now the only difference in this is that the encoder gives you feedback on your speed and your position. So this is what they look like. They've given 2 of these, so you can connect 2 wheels, 2 gears, however you want to do this. And these are the different wires that will connect these motors to the microcontroller. The last type of motor there is the servo motor, and I can actually see that there are 2 of these. So I'm going to start by opening them, and in this packet you can actually see the servo motor. And along with that, there are some gears and other connecting pieces in there, which will really help with the precision of this motor. The servo motor is known for its precise control and how the robotic solution can maintain its position. Now I'm sensing some sensors. We have a water level sensor, soil moisture sensor, miniature switch, PIR motion sensor, laser sensor, gesture sensor, grayscale sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, color sensor, rotary angle sensor, 1-wire temperature sensor. Oh, and before we forget, we also have the battery box. This is what's actually going to power your robotic solution and bring all of your creative ideas to life. Now we're going to dive right into the mechanical parts. We have the gusset plates, the beams, the C-beams, L-beams. We have the flanged plates, all these different joiners. We have all these different connectors, screws. We have the gears and these really cool looking wheels. And we have lots and lots of cables. Alright, that's a wrap. I really enjoyed unboxing the Matrix Future Innovators Kit. The possibilities are endless with this one. My imagination is running wild. You guys really need to get your hands on this kit right now. This is Liza Wasim signing off. Happy building and see you in the next one.